Good morning. Today's Sunday, April 19th, day 37 of my quarantine here. I'm going to make spam musubi with egg. It's kind of our breakfast, lunch, brunch. So I have my nori and I fried some eggs and spam. I got mirin mixed with vinegar to seal it, and I got my musubi maker, and I got my rice. So tip is, and I put shoyu and some salt in my rice. Tip is that you do need to have your rice cool down and fluff it up, okay, whenever you make any kind of sushi, not straight hot from the pot, okay? So you place your nori on the into your musubi maker like this. Put your spam, and because I have the egg, I'm going to put the egg, and you can cook your spam in whatever you want. So you wet the edges of the nori with the vinegar, or you can just use water. And then you're going to push this down like this. You can push this little one over, and then put the bigger side, then take the top, and you're going to fit it, and then push down, and then kind of push down on these ends, like, no, not on the knob, just push that. Then lift. Now, while you're holding it, push this back in like this, and while you're holding it, kind of push it out, like so. Hold it. No, yeah, and then push. You gotta lift this thing up while you push. Okay, we're doing a second round here. Okay, now we're gonna close it. Yep. We close it. Yep. Push. Now remember, hold the plastic container at the same time we're pushing out, like that. Push, push. There we go. And what do you got there? Show us. A nice spam musubi. How is that?
Good.